Good morning, students. I am Shanimul Chako. So, welcome to the world of bio. Today, I would like to take the topic from biotechnology. It is DNA. So, let us move on to the topic. DNA is a group of molecules that is responsible for carrying and transmitting the hereditary material at the genetic instruction from parents to offspring. It is an organic compound that has a unique molecular structure. It is found in all prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Difference between DNA in prokaryotes and eukaryotes. In prokaryotic cells has no nucleus, no organelles and a very small amount of DNA. Examples of prokaryotes are blue-green algae, bacteria and mycoplasma. Among the prokaryotes, bacteria are the most common and multiply very fast. Bacteria are found in everywhere such as in rocks, soil and ocean. In eukaryotic cells, their genetic material is organized in chromosome. Examples of eukaryotic cells are plants, animals, protists and fungi. Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, ribosome, nucleus are the part of eukaryotic cells. In eukaryotic cells, DNA is found in large amount. Okay. There are three different type of DNA. It is aDNA, bDNA and ecDNA. aDNA is an ancient DNA. It is isolated from ancient specimen. Due to degradation process, that is cross-linking, deamination and fragmentation, aDNA is more degraded in comparison with contemporary genetic material. Okay. aDNA is a right-handed double helical structure. Next, bDNA. bDNA is the most common DNA conformation. It is a right-handed double helical structure. The double strands run in an opposite direction, which is discovered by Watson and Crick based on X-ray diffraction pattern. It is the most common DNA exists under physiological condition. Okay. bDNA is a branched DNA. Branched DNA chain assay is a powerful multi-application molecular diagnostic technique based on signal amplification on available nucleic acid DNA in a given sample. FDA approved the DNA technology for HIV-1 and HCV viral load testing so as to monitor disease progression in HIV-1 and HCV patients. The next one is ecDNA. ecDNA is a left-handed DNA where the double helix is bent to the left in a zigzag pattern. The major role is in regulation of gene expression. Okay. DNA was first recognized and identified by the Swiss biologist Jonas Frederick Mischer in 1869. Watson and Crick discovered that DNA is responsible for storing genetic information in living organism. DNA molecule is composed of units called nucleotides. Each nucleotide is composed of three different components such as sugar, phosphate and nitrogen bases. The sugar and phosphate backbone forms the structural framework of the nucleic acid, like including DNA and RNA. Sugar is in DNA is deoxyribose. Phosphate group is a just phosphorus atom bound to 4 oxygen atoms. The 4 nitrogen bases are adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine. These 4 nitrogen base pair together in the following way. A with T and C with G. That is adenine with thymine, cytosine with guanine. These base pairs are essential for DNA's double helical structure, which resembles a twisted ladder. The order of the nitrogenous bases determines the genetic code and or the DNA's instruction. The nitrogenous bases of the opposite strands form hydrogen bonds forming a ladder-like structure. The pitch of each helix is 3.4 nanometer. DNA coils up forming a chromosome. Each chromosome has a single molecule of DNA in it. Human beings have around 23 pairs of chromosomes in the nucleus of cells. DNA also plays an essential role in cell division. What are the functions of DNA? Replication, gene expression, mutation, transcription and translation. So children, it is enough today. I would like to show you the nucleotide formation of DNA structure. It like this. Okay students, today it is enough today. Tomorrow we'll meet again with another subject. Bye children. Thank you.